which we will learn about cross multiplication method. I hope you are able. Okay. See, general form of linear equation in two variables. This is x given y equal to 0, and then second equation x b2y c2 is equal to 0, where a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 are real numbers. Today we will learn cross multiplication method. How to use the cross multiplication method to solve the given equation. Actually, this method has been deleted this year by CBSE, but we have to learn this for our knowledge, for our self. See, here you have to write by using cross multiplication method. Here you will write x, then y, and here you observe last after sign of equality you observe 0. Here you have to write 1. Then you have to make this symbol in this way. Then after, here I have written x variable. You have to leave the coefficient of x. It means you have to start with the coefficient of y. Here you have to write b1 just below b2. Then after c1, then c2. Then after you will reach at a1, a2, then b1, b2. To remember, you observe from where we have started, the same I have written here at the end. Means, whenever you are starting to write the coefficient to get the solution of x and y, firstly here x is written, you have not to start with the coefficient of x. It means you have to move further and you will go through the coefficient of y. Now see how to multiply this b1 will multiply with c2. Then this b2 will multiply with c1. Wherever you are ending here, you have to stop. Here put sign of equality, and from here you have to multiply here. You will write y. Then c1 will multiply with a2. c1 into a2. Then c2 into a1. Then equal to, then this will multiply here, and here you have to write a1 into b2. Then after you have to write a2 into b1 minus. This minus sign is already in formula. a2 b1. Then after you have to equate the first and last, and you will get the value of x. Then after you have to compare middle one and last, you will get the value of y. This is the way how to use cross multiplication method to find out the value of variable x and y. We will go through NCERT exercise. Wait for 1 minute. Pause. We are in exercise 3.5 NCRT. See, the first question states, which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution? No solution and infinitely many solution. Means you have to check the given pair of equation has unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solution. After that, if you find unique solution, you have to use cross multiplication method to find out its solution. The first of all, you will note down the equation. First is given x minus 3y. First x minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Then after second equation is given 3x minus 9y then minus 2 equal to 0. Here you observe value of a1 is 1 hidden. Because 1 is written here, you will write here a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 3, b2 is equal to minus 9, c1 is equal to minus 9 and c2 is equal to minus 2. Since a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 9, it means 1 by 3, and c1 upon c2 equal to minus 9 upon minus 2 is equal to 9 by 2. You observe here that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition to have no solution of the given equation. Therefore, we will write sign here. Therefore, the given pair of linear equation has no solution. If you are finding it has no solution, you have not to find solution, you have to stop here. So we will see the second question again. Wait few seconds. I hope you will be able to note down. See, the second part is given 2x plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Here it is not given in general form. If you transpose 5 from right to left, it becomes negative. a1 is equal to what? 2. a2 is equal to what? 3. b1 is equal to what? 1. b2 is equal to what? 2. c1 is equal to what? Minus 5. c2 is equal to what? Minus 8. Clear? Since a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 3 and b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 by 2, clearly you observe a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Therefore, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, and this is the condition to have unique solution. You will write the given pair of linear equation has unique solution. Just after it, if you are able to find the given pair of linear equation has unique solution, you have to utilize cross multiplication method to find out the value of x and y. It means the solution of the given equation. So here you will write by using cross multiplication method. Here you will write x, then y, then 1. See, you have to make this symbol. Just I have to. Here you observe, you have to not to write coefficient of x. It means you have to start with coefficient of y. Here 1, in next equation 2. Here if you transpose here, it becomes minus, and if you transpose here, it becomes minus. You will write minus 5, minus 8, then 2, then 3, then 1, then 2. Just after it, you have 2. You have to multiply. So here I am writing because it will be not visible. X, this will multiply with this 1 into minus 8, minus this will multiply with this 2 into minus 5, then equal to y. Then this will multiply with this minus 5 into 3, minus this will multiply with this minus 8 into 2. Then you will write here 1, here 2 will multiply with 2, then 3 will multiply with 1. Now simplify it. See, x, 8 1 ja 8, and here minus into minus plus, 2 5 ja 10. Here y, 5 3 ja 15, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, 8 2 ja 16. Here 1 1 ja, here 2 2 ja 4, and 3 1 ja 3. Now you observe here opposite sign, subtract it, 10 minus 8 2, here again subtract it, 16 minus 15 1, and here 1 upon 1. Now you have to compare this one with last. X upon 2 is equal to 1, therefore x is equal to what? 2 1 ja 2, and y upon 1 is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1. It means the solution of the given pair of linear equation is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. I hope you get it. I think you can try now. Now I am going to give you next question. Third is very much clear. If you observe and you have learned the condition, you can say by mere observation that it has unique solution or many solution or no solution. So first of all, recall the condition for unique solution. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. After it, the given pair of linear equation has unique solution. If A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2, in that case, the given pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, then given pair of linear equation has no solution. So see, the third question I am going to take, 3x minus 5y equal to what is given? 20. Equal to 20, and then 6x minus 10y equal to 40. See here, a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to what? 6, b1 is equal to what? Minus 5, b2 is equal to what? Minus 10, and c1 is equal to what? If you transpose that side, it becomes minus. If you transpose this side, it becomes minus. You will write minus 20, c2 minus 40. Since a1 upon a2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, then b1 upon b2 minus 5 by minus 10 equal to 1 upon 2. c1 upon c2 minus 20 upon minus 40 equal to 1 by 2. In each case, you are observing a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Hence, the given pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. I hope you get it how this question to be solved. If it has infinitely many solutions, you have not to solve it. In the case of unique solution, you have to find it. So you have to mug up the concept how the given pair of linear equation has unique solution. First, remember again, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. In that case, the given pair of linear equation has unique solution. If a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then the given pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, it means linear equation has no solution. The next, last question of this first part, it is given. See, firstly I have to erase it, then after I will show you. Wait 2 seconds. Now see, this is the given question. X, fourth part, x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Here, next is 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. So firstly you have to satisfy the given pair of linear equation has unique solution or not. Then after you have to find in the case of unique solution. First, see here a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 3, b2 is equal to minus 3. You observe here, there is no need to write c1, c2. Clearly you observe, since a1 upon a2 equal to 1 by 3 and b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3, it means 1. You observe a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. The given pair of linear equation has unique solution. If unique solution, you have to use cross multiplication method. That is our topic to study. One question I have solved, one more question I am going to solve. See, you have to mention the method by using cross multiplication method. Firstly, you have wait few seconds so that I can write the things from the top and you will be able to understand. Very easy method. How to write, you have to recognize, then after utilize it, you must enjoy it. See, here you have to write x, then make the symbol, then write here y, then make the symbol, then again make the symbol and write here 1. Remember student, if here is 0 then you write 1. If here is some constant like this will be that side and this will be that side, in that case you can write here -1. Clear? See here, you have not to write the coefficient of x. Here x, it means you have not to write the coefficient of x. It means you have to start with coefficient of y. It means b1, b2. Here b1 is -3, b2 is again -3, c1 is -7, c2 is -15, a1 is 1, a2 is 3, b1 is -3, b2 is -3. Now you have to multiply this one. In next step, this is the sign of implied, you have to put, and here you have to write -3 into -15, then -3 into -7. You have to write the sign in bracket so that there will be no confusion. Then y, this -7 will multiply with 3, minus this -15 will multiply with 1, then 1 is going to multiply with 3 and this is going to multiply with -3. Now see, 15 3 ja minus into minus plus, 15 3 ja 45. Here minus into minus plus into minus minus, 7 3 ja 21. Then y, 7 3 ja 21, minus into minus plus, 15 1 ja 15. Then 1, 3 1 ja 3, minus minus into minus plus, 3 3 ja 9. Then after you have to proceed. 45 minus 21, subtract it, 24. Here again you have to subtract, see, -6. Here again you have to subtract 6. Then after you have to compare first and last to get the value of x. See, x upon 24 equal to 1 by 6. Here x is equal to 1 by 6 into 24. 4 ja, x is equal to 4 1 ja 4, and y upon -6 is equal to 1 upon 6, and y is equal to 1 by 6 into -6, 1 ja, and y is equal to -1. Hence x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -1 is the solution of the given equation. I hope you get it. Okay. you have to solve question number 3, because here in the instruction it has been mentioned that you have to solve the given equation by cross multiplication method. See the student, question number 3, and you have to practice this to learn more. Student, I have already taught you how to use substitution method. Here I am stick with cross multiplication method because it is our topic. If someone is going to ask, you have to find the value of x and y directly. How to do? See here. You will write here x, then equal to, you will multiply this by this, then this by this, then here you have to multiply this by this, and here you have to multiply this by this. You have to minus 2 by minus 9, and if you solve you will get directly value. Try to get it. 5 for the 20, and here 18, here 16, here 15. Here what will be value? Minus 2 upon 1. It means value of x will be minus 2. Now, if you have to find value of y, this bottom will be same, and this C1 will multiply with A1. C1 will multiply with A2. It means minus 9 into 3. This will multiply with this, and this will multiply with this. Minus 4 into 8. See here, minus 27 plus 32 upon 16 minus 15. Here 5, here 1, it means 5. This is very interesting way to find the solution of the given equation in one line. If you are able to recognize the coefficient and you get it how to multiply which coefficient you have to take in proper order along with their sign, then you will get the answer orally also even. I have taught you here how to use this method to get the solution quickly, but I am going to solve as usual way. See, remember I have got x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Here you will write using cross multiplication method. See, x, then after you have to make this symbol which I have told, then y, then minus plus 1. You can write, if you want to write minus 1, you can write minus 1 in case of constant here. See, here you have to write 5, then 2, then here 9, then 4, then 8, then here 3, and then after 5, then 2. This will multiply with this, x is equal to 5 into 4, then minus 2 is 9. Here, this has been multiplied, this will multiply 9 into 3 together, then this will multiply with this 4 into 8. Then after, this will multiply 8 into 2, then this will multiply minus 3 into 5. 20, here 18, here y 27, here 32, here minus 1, here 60, here 50. Here subtract it, 20 minus 18 2. Then y subtract it, minus 5. Here minus 1 upon 1. Now x by 2 will be compared with last one, minus 1. Therefore x is equal to what? 2 1 ja 2, minus 2, plus into minus, minus. And y upon minus 5 is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 5. So x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 is the solution of the given pair of linear equation. I hope you have learned cross multiplication method. Although this is not mentioned this year for your syllabus in CBSE, but for your knowledge, and it is the very quick approach to find the missing variable x and y. So that's why I have taught you. You have to practice it. I hope you must learn, and thank you everyone. Luck. Thank you.